Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I had a request to do a video showing myself putting these adhesive sticky tabs on the back of these press-on nails and then applying them that way. So I'm gonna try that today. So I have the same things for prep that I did last time, my dull nail file, and I also have some rubbing alcohol. You can also use a light buffer, something like this, but I like this. It's very dull, very gentle on my nails. So I'm just gonna buff off the shine. I did a video previously showing how I do the prep and application of press-on nails using adhesive tabs, but this is just slightly different. The last time I put these right on my nails and then I pushed the press-on nails on top of them. So we're gonna try this this way today. And then I'm gonna, where's my paper towel? Here it is. I'm gonna put some alcohol to dehydrate my nails. I'd already done my cuticle prep, so I just lightly buffed, and then you're just gonna dehydrate with some alcohol or acetone. So we are ready now to put on the press-ons. The last video I showed myself putting on the green ones, and I think I did these off camera, but these are going strong after 6 days of wear with the adhesive tabs. So I'm going to take the inside of this. By the way, this is Peach Ombre and it's beautiful. I don't think I showed you this one. Absolutely beautiful. It's a little peach on bottom and then it goes into almost like a shimmery creamy white at the top, and I love this one. So that's on my Etsy shop. It's pretty new actually. So what I'm going to do, I think I might zoom in a little bit. I'm hoping you guys can see this okay. Let me move my tabs up. So I'm gonna do what I did before, where I just make sure that I have a good fitting size. And then instead of putting it on my thumb, I'm actually going to put it on the inside of the press-on nail. So what I'm going to do, oh good, I'm in camera. I'm just gonna line up, see my adhesive? I'm just gonna line it up right there, and then I'm gonna just push it in, and then I'm just gonna smooth it. You guys see that in there? So instead of putting it on my thumbnail, I put the press-on adhesive tab right on the inside of this press-on. So you can see the adhesive right there on the inside. So then what I'm going to do is, now that I've smoothed this on there, so I feel pretty confident that this adhesive tab is on there pretty good, I'm just going to peel that little sticky. There's a little tab at the top. I don't know if you can see that. But every adhesive tab has a little sticky that you're going to remove. And you're going to remove this top little sheet. See that? And then you're just going to peel that off so that you expose the adhesive on the inside. So you can see that adhesive tab is in there, and now the adhesive is exposed. So now I can just push this right onto my thumb. So you're just gonna go right where the cuticle is and just anchor it right there and push down, and then just apply firm pressure for 30 seconds, and then you're good. So there we go. Perfect. I really like this. It's very natural looking, the peachy ombre. It's beautiful. So I'm just gonna go through and do all of these the same way. So line up your finger with one that fits pretty well. I'd say that one. And then we're just going to apply it. I hope you guys can see this. My nails are a little long on my right hand, my press-ons. So, although they are the same as these, the short coffin, so I may be a little bit clumsy, so don't mind me. I just need to make sure I'm in camera. This is my first time trying this way, so don't mind me. There we go. So I'm just pushing it down so that it's on there really good on the inside. Okay. I'm gonna find that little sticky at the top of the adhesive tab on the inside of this press-on. There we go, I found it. And I'm just going to peel it off again so that I can expose that sticky layer. But just kind of wiggle at it because you don't want to pull off the whole adhesive tab. Sometimes they want to stay stuck to the actual adhesive tab, the sticky layer on top. So just make sure that you kind of wiggle at it so you don't pull off the whole adhesive tab off the, press-on nail you just put it on. So that one's done. Middle finger. So I'm just kind of lining it up towards the bottom of the press-on nail. You see what I'm doing here? And just kind of pushing in to the inside so that it just kind of goes in there. And then I'm just kind of smoothing it with my other nail. Okay, and then I'm just kind of pushing inward to kind of make sure it's really on there, on that press-on nail really good. There we go. Finally got this sucker off of there. Here's the ring finger. We're getting there, you guys. I need to make sure I'm in camera. I'm sorry, I'm not used to being this zoomed in, but I really want to make sure you can see this. Now it is a little bit tough to do this just because there is a curve to these nails, so it's a little bit tricky, but once you get it, it's not bad. So it's up to you guys if you want to apply it this way by putting the adhesive tab right onto your press-on nail on the back of it like this, or if you want to do it putting the adhesive tab on your natural nail, you can do that either way. I don't think either way is wrong. You can't really go wrong, you know. So I've got it fit into the curve of this nail. Then I just gotta peel off the adhesive layer that's sticky, not the sticky, so you can see I already got it. This sheet I'm pulling off. Just gonna tug that off to expose the sticky adhesive. And we're going to apply it. I'm going to try to show this from a little farther away because maybe you guys can see better that way. I'm not sure, but I think it's worth a shot, right? It's just a little tricky with long nails. So I think with the smaller nails, this is a little bit harder to do, just like because you have your other nails on. If you have shorter fake nails on, this might be a little bit easier on you. But I am finding it a little tricky with the ring and pinky nails doing it this way. There we go, I got it. All right. Just takes a little bit of finagling. But once you get it, you're golden. So I just shipped out some gel polish nails to my giveaway winner. So I'm super excited to see, you know, their reaction, what they think of them, get some feedback. If you missed out on the giveaway, don't worry. I do have a 20% off sale going on right now for Mother's Day. Thank you, moms. So you can still get a great discount right now in my Etsy store, Manicured by Jill. So, you know, if you're looking for a set of nails, take a look. I think in the future, I would start with the pinky first, putting these on, because then my thumb, with my natural nail being shorter, I think I would have a little bit of an easier time getting at this, this sheet that I need to peel off. So I think going forward, if I apply them this way, I think that's what I would do. I would do the smallest and trickiest one first. And it's also hard doing this on camera. I'm sorry if I'm not in camera. So I got some tweezers to help me out. So I started getting some of this sheet off here. I don't know if you can see that, but I started getting this off and I'm just wiggling it. There we go. Yay. Got it. There we go. We got our adhesive peely off. Woohoo. I'm so excited. So now we can put it on. There we go. Beautiful. So I'm all done applying the press-on nails, and I love this set. I think it's gorgeous. Again, this is the Peachy Ombre on my Etsy shop in the short coffin. If you want this in a different length, but you like the colors, the shimmer ombre, you can totally customize the shape and length. You can do short square, you can do stilettos, you can do longer coffin. I've got some good options, you guys. So yeah, you can customize any of the shapes and lengths on my website. So I hope that this video was helpful, and yeah, feel free to comment, like, and subscribe. So thank you for watching.